Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. I welcome you to my new amazing project, Internet Connection Checker. So in this project, we are going to check that our PC is connected to internet or not. So it will check that you are online or offline. To make this project, I have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's try it. So now we are online, so it's showing that you are online. So let's off our internet connection. So I off our internet connection. So see, it's showing you are offline. Let's connect our internet again. So it's connecting. See, when it connected, then it's showing you are online. See, I am connected to my internet, so it's showing online. When I off it, see, you are offline. So when I on it, it will show that you are online. So it will check the internet connection that you are online or offline. So to make this project, we have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So before that, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. So come to our VS Code. Here in title we have taken the internet connection checker, and here we have a style.css linked, and then in body tag I have a h1 tag, which you can see here, the h1 tag. Then we have a div with class connection status. So in this div we have taken two divs with class status and message. So we have two divs, one is with class status and one is with class message. And then here I have linked my JavaScript file. So come for CSS. Here I have imported the font family Poppins. So you can go to Font.com website and you can link whatever font you want. So now here in body tag we have a beautiful radial gradient in our background. Then I have linked the font family Poppins and sans serif. Then I have connection status class. So here we have a connection status class. In this I have given position fixed and width 16 rem, height 50 pixel and a border bottom 1 pixel solid white. Then I have taken this display flex and align item center, justify content center and a Z index. After that I have taken a background color code. Then I have taken a color of the text, and then I have taken a padding 10 pixel from top and bottom and 15 pixel from right and left. Then margin height I have taken 10 pixel. Then a beautiful border radius for our connection status. Then we have a cursor pointer and a transition background color 0.3 second each. Then we have a beautiful box shadow and a margin. So here you can see that we have a beautiful border radius and this color. So this color code and box shadow is here on our message box. So here the status width 10 pixel, height 10 pixel, border radius 50%, margin at 10 pixel and a background color. After that, in message I have taken font weight bold, color of the text this color code, and then I have taken a font size 1.2 rem for our message. So here in our h1 tag, as you can see above, for h1 tag I have taken margin left 34 rem and position fixed, and the color of the text, and then background, radial gradient, and box shadow. So here you can see this beautiful background gradient on our heading. Then we have a padding, then we have a top 0. So it's looking so nice. After that we have the main thing here in JavaScript. So in this I have taken two constants, status and message. So in status we have a class status and message class. So here we have a status and message class that we are going to select in our constant. So here I have taken a function check connection. We are going to make a function check connection. So here we have a constant online. So here is the main thing, that navigator dot online. It will check you are connected to the internet or not. So this is the main thing to check your connection. So navigator dot online. So here we have a if online means navigator.online, it will check you are online or not. So it will store in this constant. So this constant, if it is online, then status.style.background color become this, and it will show you are online. So let's see. So this is the color of, you can see this color, the green color. So this is for the this color code, and it will show you are online, and this green dot color code. So then if it's not, else status dot style dot background color become this, it's a red type color, and it will show you are offline. So when I go offline, let's see it's to this red dot, and it's showing you are offline. So here now here we are calling our function, then here window dot add event listener online and offline. So here it's showing that you are online or offline by this event window dot. So it will passes the this function in this event listener to our window. So like that we have made our a beautiful internet connection checker using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. To many projects like this, check out our channel Becodewala, and don't forget to follow on Instagram @Becodewala. So thank you.